My love for you grows stronger with each passing day. You are my heart's desire, and I am so thankful for the love we share. Every time I look at you, I am reminded of how lucky I am to have you in my life. You are my everything, and I will always love you. Your love is my guiding light, leading me through the darkest time and filling my life with joy. I love you more than you can ever imagine. Every time I pray for us to be together, honey, I am thinking about you always. I know you are seeing everything I have been talking about you. If you are seeing it, reply with I love you. For me to know that you are seeing everything I am talking about you, and I miss you so much. My heart